Good morning. I'm about to make my coffee and I thought I'd show you guys how I make coffee in my Airstream Stelluna in a sustainable way. So here is my Keurig. We love our Keurigs. We love our instant coffee makers. The problem I found is that I did not want to be using these disposable pods. That is just really wasteful. This machine, you can use, you can buy refillable pods. So I went on Amazon and I bought these. They came in a set of 4 and I think they were like $7. And you can grind coffee or buy pre-ground coffee and fill it up and then drop it in here and it works. Now there is some troubleshooting though, because the flavor of the coffee is a bit weak using these, so you kind of have to test out what will work for you. For us, we found that using buying a grinder, or my sister actually just gifted it to us because she had an extra one, but we ground our coffee very fine, like almost like powdery, and we use espresso beans. So far we found that makes really good coffee. Well, if you're drinking coffee now and you don't want to if you don't have one of these and you are interested in sustainable coffee pods, then check this out. I invite you to consider this and play around with your coffee and combinations and what will taste the most delicious for you.
So I'm just going to show you how I do that right now. Pre-ground coffee in here. We usually do a batch up front, and this is, so we bought coffee beans. And this is like, what is this? Starbucks espresso roast. And I'm just filling this up. I don't want to fill it up too much, and I definitely don't want to pack it in because it could jam the thing. So leave like a little bit of airspace in here. Close it up. Drop that in there. I'm also going to add water.
So while this is brewing, the way I make my coffee is a little extra. I do the ketogenic diet, so I do Bulletproof Coffee. What that means is I add MCT oil, which is basically a refined coconut oil, collagen peptides to help my skin look nice, and some monk fruit sugar. Monk fruit sugar is a natural sweetener that basically has no net carbs. And then I froth some milk. I pour some on top, and then I sprinkle some this is a new thing, some cinnamon on the top, and it's heaven.
That's the coffee is going now. And while it's doing that, I'm going to get MCT oil.
And told you I'm extra. I drink coffee with this glass straw. Another way that you can be sustainable as well. Yeah. It's perfect. And that smell of cinnamon is so good. If you're having your coffee too, enjoy and have a beautiful day. Bye.